Ba't ako nagdadahan? Ako dito. Wow, nangawit na ako. Sorry, ako dito. Dapat sa YouTube na po.
Cái nào quên vô mình rồi. Ở đây có đâu.
You have chosen us. You're strong and grounded. You have chosen fire. You're filled with enthusiasm and the love of life. Just like someone I
Earth daw tayo.
and last but not least, you have chosen water. You're filled with great power and wisdom.
Tignan mo yung movements ng paa na sa anak na. Pag-theater talaga ganyan.
We could summon one of the spirits. Yes, but who needs some help? Yes. Will you all help us? Okay.
Ayun na, may papagawa sa inyo. Hindi na ako idamay dyan. Mga floor manager.
Okay, we shall summon fire. Everyone, make this movement with us. Like this, now everyone, all together.
Pero lapit.
Wow!
Nice. Naka-screen pala yung bongo.
Just green fire lah.
Galing ng ano. Naka-screen yung bongo mo. Kalain mo yun. Ako rin. Pil-lapil ni Elsa.
Really so much.
Kaya hindi mamaya lagot ko sa akin.
We're all the framework of all living things. They connect us all here into this community of friends. Oh, my love. It feels so good to be here with my lovely
Parang magandang wedding gown yan.
And this bridge between every doubt, the intent to flourish shall be strong forever. You are a wonderful sister and a great queen. That was so much fun.
Tawag na reaction video. Ang ganda ng screen. Oh, match ka dyan. Wala, punta ka na doon. Gani. Alas mo. May house yan. Oh. Pupunta ka na. Wala na kasi kaedad mo. Bakit ka? Ayun na.
Bubble.
Being here with all of you and sharing this wonderful playhouse has made this the best summer snow day ever.
Thank you so much for coming to see us, everyone.
Ito na magko-comedy. Magki-comedy na ako. Magko-comedy na ako. May exit. Gusto ko nang gayain. Gusto ko nang gayain eh. Ang ka-picture ka.